It's your boy Ty here from 6 Star Motors. Now, you can tell from the title and the thumbnail of the video, man. For our first video on the channel, we got a very special rebuild. So yesterday we picked up a 2021 GLS63. It got a little burn damage, nothing too crazy that we can't fix, And right now I just left Target. I had to go pick up an SD card because I let my friend borrow the camera, and she ain't put back in the SD card, man. So right now I'm about to go meet my brother about a lot. I'm pretty sure he's already over there taking some stuff off of the car, so I'll pick back up the camera as soon as I get there. But yeah, guys, I had to pick up the camera again, man. I forgot to tell you guys, we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff on this channel, man, so stay tuned. I'm gonna bring you along for the journey. Started something great, how we got started, from show you from back then to now. A lot of different stuff, man. I know y'all gonna be excited to see, I'm very excited to start this channel, and it's been a long time coming. I have a lot of stuff. Stay tuned. A lot of people think selling cars, flipping cars is easy, man. I'm gonna take y'all through the whole process. It's gonna be a long journey. Flipping cars, let me tell y'all something. If you're not ready to lose money in this business, I'm talking about losing thousands of dollars, and if you're not ready to be up to 3, 4, 5 in the morning and having to wake back up an hour after you get some sleep, man, I advise you to pick another lane. We do this because this is what we love to do. We in the cars, we in the bikes, we in the stuff like that. So I feel like as if you don't love what you do, it's not the right job for you, man. You gotta crawl before you walk, yes, of course, but you only gonna enjoy life and have fun with life and make money in life if you love doing what you signed up to do, man. And I just want to give you guys the courage to, if you want to do it, just do it. Sometimes your mind holds you back from stuff, and you never know where you could get in life if you just be like, fuck it. Instead of me just sitting here thinking, contemplating, let me just get up and do it. So little words of encouragement, man. You could be whatever you want in life, as long as you put your mind to it, and as long as you grind and put the miles in. Because if you don't put the miles in and you don't put the grind in, man, you're just gonna stay at the same pace, So if you want to do it, don't wait till tomorrow, don't wait an hour, don't wait 30 minutes, do it right now, because you never know. All it takes is 1 second to change the rest of your life. Got to the lot, we just pulled up. Let's go check out what my brother doing. My battery is about to die, and I don't got my other one, so I'm gonna just record what I can for y'all, Let's go pull up at see. Alright. A lot of cars, man. Alright, guys, let me show you how the beauty. Focusing for y'all. There we go. Y'all can see, man. Probably gotta put my other extension on here. What? This is her. We walk around to the other side. all the way up here to go to the other side. It's crazy. Wanna know how much we got it for, y'all? Just stay to the end of the video. I'll let y'all know at the end of the video. Looks a little crazy, but nothing that can't be fixed. Definitely a project, but we'll make it work. How much do you think it's going to cost to fix this?
Hopefully no more than $10.
I say anywhere from the range of probably like
15,000.
Yeah, like 10 to 15. Need all rows of seats, 2-door seat belts, a full interior, that rim redone, back bumper, trunk, the roof done over, sandblasted, the exhaust, the wire harness, the auxiliary coolers in the back, and that's about it. Roof, you know. Oh, and the windshield. Definitely gonna get done, shot. For sure. The camera don't zoom out that much, and that's my bad because I have the other extension to the camera, but I didn't put it on, and that's my fault. But the next vlog though, for sure gonna put it on 1000% for you guys. I just forgot to put it on. Yeah, man, here's the car, you know. I want y'all to comment and guess how much you think we got it for. And the next video, probably, I'll let y'all know how much we got it for, you know. Definitely got it for a super duper steal. You guys won't believe how much it went for. Right now, I'm just trying to get most of the burnt interior out, take out the seats, you know, just rip everything out and see like what else is burnt underneath and see exactly what we need to get this thing up and running. Engine is the hood open? Yeah, this should be open. Oh, it's locked. Engine is good, shot. Engine and transmission is good. You know, I'm gonna see if I can pop the hook for you guys. Give me a second. Alright guys, the engine latch was messed up from the burn, so I got it open. Oh shit. Let you see this beauty, man. I don't want to rip the tape off the window. Yeah, man, it's all there intact. Stay tuned for the next video. You're not gonna want to miss it, I promise. I want you guys to tune into this full rebuild, you know. A little work, nothing too crazy.
I was here the day that it burned.
Need a little love. But we're gonna get this thing right. We're gonna definitely get this thing right for sure. Stay tuned.
They just tryna see me lose, they don't wanna see me winning. But I got a point to prove, so I'm on the road to